What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we're going to look at the volatility that the CPI report brought into the markets, and we're also going to look at this bad CPI report because guys, we're going to find out, are we going to see a pump from these regions, because at the moment we are seeing a major push towards the upside. Are we going to see a rejection very soon, and what could be the indicator that we're going to see a rejection or the start of a major relief rally? We're going to find out all of this guys, because I found an indicator that nobody is looking at the moment. And guys, we're also going to look at the bigger perspective and the major trend that we are in at the moment and what we could expect. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and now let's start with the video. What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to B4Crypto. We're going to start over on my Telegram channel, and it's an absolutely free Telegram group guys. So go in the video description and click on my link. And guys, you can see that I posted in June the consumer price index of all urban consumer rose 1.3% seasonally adjusted, and rose 9.1% over the last 12 months, not seasonally adjusted. So guys, we could see that the inflation rate was higher than the expected numbers. So guys, this overall is bad news for the markets, but I think that Bitcoin held quite strong, because guys, we had so much bad news in a couple of months that I don't think that this will change a lot, because guys, we had a major dump, and we're going to look at the overall trend where we are at the moment. So guys, before we're going to go over to the charts, I want to remind you that you can go down in the video description to first get into my free Telegram group, and you also can receive all of these bonuses if you use my referral links. And guys, at MEXC you will receive a $25 Bitcoin airdrop and get a chance to win $1,000. So guys, go over and subscribe. It only takes a few seconds. So guys, on Phemex you can receive a $4,100 deposit bonus. And guys, now let's go over to the charts. So guys, we're going to start on the 4-hour chart, and as you guys can see, the CPI release was round about here, and we got a lot of volatility into the markets, and we saw a dump all the way down to $18,920, and then we saw this pump over this trend line again. And guys, are we going to see that we are going to reach higher levels from here? Guys, we're overall going to see where this trend line comes from, and as you guys can see, this is from all the way down from this low, and that we have formed this low, a higher low, and now this low is even higher than the previous one. And overall this is an uptrend guys, and that means that in the short term we are still in this upwards moving trend. But guys, we have to look at one very important factor, and that is the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. And as you guys can see, let me just remove all these drawings. And as you guys can see that at the moment, this 200 moving average is all the way at 20,928 and all the way to 21,000 in this range. So guys, this could be our next rejection point, or it could be the beginning of a relief rally. And why I say that, I'm going to explain you exactly now guys. Because firstly, we could see a major rejection from this 200 moving average and come all the way back down. Because guys, then you could see that we would form a lower high, because then we could expect that the price definitely will come back into these areas. But guys, now comes the very important factor. If we're going to break over the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart and confirm this breakout towards the upside, I could expect that we're going to see a relief rally. And why, I'm going to show you exactly now guys, because then we're going to zoom out and we're going to find out why is this 200 moving average so important. Because guys, at the moment you can see for the longest while we have been under the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. And the last time we were over the 200 moving average was all the way up here. So guys, this was on the 10th of April 2022 at a price level of $34,000. But now you could say that we were over the 200 moving average here. But guys, here we were just having this fake out towards the upside, and then we came all the way down, and then we also could see that the 100 moving average didn't cross the 200 moving average, because all the time when we see the 200 moving average cross over the 100 moving average, then we are going to expect that we are going to see a pump towards the upside. Like we also could see here, we have the same scenario where we are at the moment. So guys, you can see that this is at the moment very important. Are we going to see this scenario that we are going to get a rejection from the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, or maybe see a fake out towards the upside and get a rejection from this box and see the price move down, and we could see a major price drop from these levels like we saw here? Because guys, you can see that overall we have formed this bearish flag. We have formed this bearish flag exactly here. Let me just get my drawing tools. Exactly here. Here we had this bearish flag that we have formed, and we dumped all the way down. And guys, at the moment you can see that we are in the same scenario, that we are forming kinda this bearish flag. This is not perfect, but guys, you can see the point that we could maybe expect that we are going to see the same scenario play out again. Or we are going to see that we are going to break the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart and see a confirmed breakout, and then we could expect levels of $28,000 or even up to $30,000 before we're going to see the next rejection down and maybe form the second low. And guys, this could be the best opportunity to buy Bitcoin now, and if we're going to see this dump in the future, because guys, we have got two scenarios that might play out. We are either going to see that we're going to see a strong move towards the downside with a big push towards the upside, or I could expect that the price of Bitcoin could have a small relief rally maybe to these levels, and that we then are going to see a rejection to these levels again and form the second low. We're going to find out all of this, guys. But guys, at the moment, I think that these are the most important levels that we have to keep an eye on. At the moment, the $21,000 level. Are we going to see the rejection, or are we going to see the breakthrough over the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart? And guys, we have to see what is going to happen within the next 4 hours. I think by that time we're either going to see that we broke this level and that we could establish an uptrend or maybe a consolidation in these areas, or we are going to see a strong rejection from these areas. So guys, that's why we have to be smart investors and dollar cost average into Bitcoin, because now is the time, guys. We had so much bad news. We had a virus, we had war, all of these factors, high inflations. Guys, that's the reason why Bitcoin was invented, and we are going to see that one day all this bad news will be good for Bitcoin, because the people will realize that Bitcoin is the only currency that will survive and that's going to form the next system. So guys, you have to be part of it, and you have to buy Bitcoin now, even if it's just a small amount. Guys, go down and use my MEXC Global referral link. So guys, just take a small amount of money, maybe even just $20 and buy Bitcoin. And guys, if you want to support me and you receive major bonuses if you use my referral links, you also will receive $5 for just opening an account and KYCing with the exchange. So guys, go down in the video description below and smash up the like button, and we see each other in the next video. You have to be for crypto.